Sanbonani, Dumelang, Apsheni bafethu. Back again, back with another video. Igama usabelo umfana kamdluli. And yeah, bafethu, we just made it. Last minute goal once again, stoppage time. Thank you, TLB bafethu. If you don't know TLB ubani, number 44, skipper of the day. I'm talking about Umbogazi bafethu. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele Samasoko Lara 0. Back-to-back 1-0 wins against Celtic bafethu, or should I say Siwelele. On to the next round. Yeah, we did it the hard way. Makgopa, yeah, nane. You thought you were gonna go 2 for 2 on penalties, mfethu, but no. Makgopa decided to hit the post bafethu. Unlucky, but the fact that you sent the goalkeeper the wrong way, you should score. I'm telling you, you should score. But then, the substitutions worked. As I said, Dlala Umuremiga left, play Apolis on the left. But Izolo, they were interchanging. Mfukeng was playing as a lone 10, as I said, and I'm busy saying it now. Mfukeng is a better 10 than Umasangwani. Than Tito akasalinuki bafethu. Nibonile izolo nani. Bafaka uMariko, bafake uMbule, Master Chef. Sibelebe, bafaka uShibelebele. Shibelele. Those were the substitutions that we made. No Tito, no problem. Because guess what? Mfukeng has that number 10 position on lock. He is better in that position in this current system under Abdeslam. The man who's got an arm bracelet. Abdeslam. Vanalomutulo is doing miracles right now. He's doing miracles. I cannot hate on him because I've been calling Alomutulo. From the first day, I'm announced, Benkala. But now he's shutting me up. He's making me say positive things rather than negative things. We won the game, bafethu. On to the next round. Thank you, TLB, my man of the match. Bafethu, ngicela sikhulumeni ngo-number 15 wethu. Ngo-number 15 wethu, ngicela sikhulumeni ngaye. Masindi. Mina ngimbiza Namatich. Masindi Namatich. Ay. The second coming of Andile Jali. I'm telling you guys, Ntwana yase Orlando. I didn't know who to put me Orlando. Recently find out. But damn, what he's signing. Whoever signed that boy, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. In fact, whoever did these signings of it, except for Mashilwane. Okay, I'm not gonna kill Mbutuma because he recently scored with Kev. Mashilwane, that was the only bad signing we made. The rest, they've been superb. Namatich, Masindi Namatich, Shibelebele, Moremi, Mbutuma in a certain degree, Mariko in a certain degree. Unduli has been exceptional with their position. Who else am I missing? Who else? Come on, help me out, people. Who else? No one. Yeah. These players have been awesome, Buffett. I can't lie. We are on to the next round. Masibone ukuthi laba abayisinaturena ukuthi bazowina. Because they are in a route. Yanu indaba yabo abekho mnandi yapete naturena. Oh, I even forgot. Strata sase Pretoria, but Pretoria is a country. Hey, badliwe izolo now. On penalties, they are out. Mamelodi Sundowns are out of the Carling Black Label Cup. But Pirates, I go win the cup ever since its inception. We've never won this Carling Black Label Cup. Not the preseason in Kulumangale, Carling Black Label Cup. We haven't won that cup. Now, Orlando Pirates, You can make me say I'm on my second cup. I'm on my second cup. Orlando Pirates. Please subscribe to the video, like the video, comment down below. All of that shenanigans. I'm out. On to the next round. So bona ukuthi iKaizer ilizoyenza kanjani. If bayaloser, god damn it, help them, because Monday it is going to be a war of laughter. We are out.